Hey trail travelers, it is Carrie, and I just got back a little while ago from the Overland Expo Mountain West, and what a great show. So many things. Uh, it's just mind-boggling how much stuff was out there that I wanted to get, but I only walked out of that show with one item that I purchased for myself, and I'm going to show you that when we come right back. Okay, out of a huge show, what was it that I was able to not walk out of the show with? Well, it's the Step 22 Pangolin. It's a tool roll. Yeah, doesn't sound that exciting, but this thing is great. I've been using it for a little while, and this is phenomenal. I did buy this with my own money. I didn't ask for a discount. I saw this and I was like, gotta have it. I'm leaving this week for 5 days to go on the Rimrocker Trail. My tool organization is a total wreck. My tool roll that I've been using for the last 2 years has completely fallen apart, and it was time to get something new. And I walked up to the Step 22 booth, saw this, and I'm like, take my money, please. Gotta have it, and it is worth every penny. So, as you see, it looks like just a tool bag, and that's a little deceptive. So I'll open it up here. Now all I'm doing is just uncinching this, strap that goes around it. It's not really, doesn't like enclose it all. It just kind of keeps it tidy. So once you have that done, you just unroll this thing and you have this fantastic tool bag. Now you've got the two kind of clear-ish pockets over here. Right now I just have Loctite in one and I have some stubby wrenches in the other. And this Velcro is tough. You get the Step 22 wrench roll. It's got a little J hook on here, and I'll open this up so you can see it. Now in some of these, like I carry multiples of some tools that I've learned over the years that I need two of. So a handful of some big wrenches, some 10s, some 13s, some 14, two 14s, and my actual sockets, my ratchets. Over here I've got the small ratchet and my extensions. So everything fits very nicely into this wrench roll. And the Velcro underneath definitely keeps everything super nice in here. Now, I didn't purchase any extras. This is all what comes in the kit. So in this one, it's kind of a little see-through, and I've got some screwdrivers, a crescent wrench, actually a large and a small crescent wrench, a selection of hex drivers, some different screwdrivers in that one. In the next pocket, this is all my common sockets that I use. Everything that could be used on the Jeep is all in here. And in the last one, this is all just miscellaneous tools. I got some wire cutters, some channel locks, some things like extra lug nuts. You just never know. Some nuts that go on things like shocks and control arms. Just a handful of assorted little goodies. This is so handy. Like I said, being able to just like pull the wrenches out is very cool, and just take those over to where you need to work without having to take the entire tool roll. It's got Velcro on the bottom. Boom. It's secure. If I just need to take this bag, I can just rip it out and take this one bag with me. The Third bag in here, all my sockets. Take my sockets around without doing anything. The third one here is secured. That one is sewn in, so you can't take that one out. But the two inside ones and the wrench roll all come out super handy. Now you still have this big pocket that's there. So if you're trying to keep some parts just organized, or nuts and bolts and things, you can just drop them in here while you're working. If you need to pick up and move, you can just have stuff thrown in here real quickly. Very nice. The other problem I have with normal tool rolls is once you roll them up, now you're dealing with a couple straps to get them secured. I ended up not using that because it was just such a pain in the ass to unroll it. And it's just bulky. The straps broke over time. This is just super nice. I can just roll this up, tuck it into the pocket here, and I'm good to go. Now it acts like a little bag, and there's still room in here. So I have another bag in the Jeep that I'm gonna pull out that has things like some gloves, the torque wrench, a couple things like that, and they're gonna fit in here just totally perfectly. So I'm gonna eliminate 2 bags out of the Jeep, and everything is gonna fit nicer into this bag than they've been fitting in 2 bags in the Jeep, saving me space, convenience. I mean, just really making things a lot easier for organization. And with some of the big trails that we have coming up and extended trips, keeping things organized, under control, as compact as possible, making enough room for as much stuff as possible in the Jeep is definitely important to us. So getting this tool roll here from step 22 was definitely a huge step in the right direction to make sure that the tools that we need to have on the trail are with us all the time and are easily accessible and are organized. Nothing is worse than having to sit there and just dig through a bag of wrenches, bolts, nuts, sockets, trying to find the one thing that you need, when now I have it all in a nice, super sturdy, very rugged bag that I have no qualms that this thing is going to last a long, long time. So go to step22.com. Like I said, I bought this with my own money. They knew I had a YouTube channel because we talked about it while their internet was down trying to process my transaction, but they didn't offer me a discount. I don't have a discount code for you. Hopefully down the road I can work something out with them, because this is a phenomenal product here. Like I said, it is the only product that I spent my money on at Overland Expo Mountain West and took home, because I'm like, I have got to have this immediately for my needs. So check them out. Step 22. This is the Pangolin Tool Roll. Cost on this, there was a show special, so I think I paid $130 for it. So it's going to be, you know, 140, 150 bucks for it, which can seem expensive for a tool roll when you can buy one on Amazon for 40 bucks or so. But I did that. I had 2 of them. I bought 2 tool rolls on Amazon for 40 bucks a piece. The first one was dead within 6 months. All the zippers broke out on it. And the second one is mostly dead. There's like 1 or 2 zippers left on it. The rest of it is complete garbage. The wrench roll wasn't nearly big enough. It didn't fit even my longest ones. So you get what you pay for. Buy once, cry once, get the Step 22 tool roll. You're not going to regret it. This thing is going to last you many, many years and keep all your stuff organized. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Appreciate all the people that came up at Overland Expo and said hi. Love it. Don't ever be afraid. If you see us somewhere, come up and say hi to us. You know, shake our hand. You know, we're just normal people. We're just, you know, just a couple that are out there having fun, and we love meeting people. So never hesitate to come up and say hi to us. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everybody. This has been Kerry with Trail Traveler, and I'll catch you next time. Stay safe on the trails out there. Bye-bye.